Mr. Williams.
Yes, Clarence, talk to me.
Yes, I've got Pete here for the interview for the Financial Development Manager job. There's just one thing you should know though. He's a dog.
A dog. How did he get through the HR department?
Well, HR checked him out and all his credentials from the universities are good. Got a note from Susie from Public Relations that we can't afford a case of discrimination right now, so he's actually our top candidate.
Well, if he's a top candidate, I'll give him the benefit of the doubt. Tell him I'll be there shortly.
I'll tell him you'll be here soon then. Pete, is it? Here you go and copy your resume. So, I'm Morgan William, boss of this company. So thank you for coming out. I thought I might bring you out to one of our development sites that we're working on, just so you can get a bit of hands-on experience during the interview. I've got to admit, Pete, this is the first time I've interviewed a dog for a position here. So tell me, Pete, why should I hire you? I see your recent job was a organic waste manager. So management of organic food materials, reduction in landfill costs. Interesting. Why did you leave that job? Oh, then what did you do? What did you do after that? What did you say? Oh, you didn't. Oh, I can't believe you said that. Oh. You know what? That's the best story I've heard. I didn't quite expect this, Pete, when I heard about interviewing the dog, but you know what? I'm the boss of this place and I can do what I want, so congratulations, you're our new Financial Development Manager. Thank you.